Finance and scary movies have something in common. They both seem scary, however, that fear is either imagined or very exaggerated. For example, you watch Shark Attack 2, and now you're afraid to get in the ocean. Then you do some research and you find out that on average, there's 66 to 86 shark attacks per year globally. And millions of people get in the ocean every day. You realize that it's highly unlikely that you will get attacked by a shark. Same goes with finance. Once you explore those fears and dangers, you realize that there's nothing to be scared about. Most people view it like doing dishes. And you know you need to do it, and it's so mundane and tedious that we'd rather watch TV. Finance should not be viewed as a chore.
Ethan! You better be doing those dishes and not making one of your silly little videos, so help me, mister! You better get to
A better way to frame it is to think of financial planning like cooking. There's a recipe that you can follow, enjoy putting the pieces together, and have a wonderful reward at the end. And ideally, your dish is supposed to look good as well as taste good, but sometimes it just tastes good. Damn, if I knew you were going to take close-ups, I would have brought something that was much more appetizing. Oh well. Another piece of human nature is just to be scared of the unknown. You feel too afraid to close your eyes and too afraid to open them.
Shush! Quiet. Oh no! Ah! Help me! Oh my God! Ah!
Anyway, you know you have to do something about your finances, but you're too afraid to do anything. Well, because you don't know what to do. Wouldn't it be nice if there was somebody that could help save you from that feeling? People like myself are financial advisors. We work every day to aid you on the path of financial management. If you feel you could benefit by consulting with somebody about your financial future, consider contacting Centennial Financial Group LLC today. What? I couldn't save that guy. I'm a financial advisor, not a Rambo. Whew. That was tough. Now it's time to reward myself. Another crazy thing about psychology is we respond well to rewards and positive reinforcement. But when people think about finance, they think it's about saving every dollar and never having fun. Well, that's just not right. Think about it like when you're out on a hike. It's good to take a break once in a while and have a snack to refuel. That's the same with your financial plan. Don't forget to reward yourself once in a while. Take that trip, buy that thing. Seriously, we make our money so we can live our lives. On the other hand, you don't want to eat so much that you can't continue the hike. It's all about balance. That's our show. Thanks for watching. If financial planning still scares you, watch our other videos. That should help. If you have any other questions or think our services could help, give us a call. Unless you're being chased by a monster, in which case, I'm afraid you're on your own.
I don't know how I look, but it's...
Let's check it out. Dude, you are method acting like crazy, bro. Love it.